carefully and repeat after me. Rule 1. Short sound of E. When the letter E comes between two consonants, it makes a short sound A. It sounds like A. Examples: net, pen, bed, leg, hen. Rule 2. Long sound of E. When the letter E is alone at the end of a word, it makes a long sound E. It sounds like E. Examples: be, he, me, we. Rule 3. Double E. When E comes twice together, double E, it always makes a long E sound. Examples: see, be, tree, feet. Rule 4. E-A-E. When E comes with A-E-A, it also makes a long E sound. Examples: see, pea, meet, beat. Rule 5. Silent E. When E comes at the end of a word, it is silent, but it makes the vowel before it long. Examples: mat, mate, bit, bite, hop, hope. Rule 6. O plus silent E. When O comes before a silent E, it makes a long O sound. Examples: not, note, rob, robe. Rule 7. U plus silent E. When U comes before a silent E, it makes a long U sound. Examples: tub, tube, cub, cube. Rule 8. EU sound. When E comes with W, it can make Ju or U sound. Examples: new, few, do, blue. Quick revision. Short E. Net, pen, bed. Long EB, me, we. E-E-E-A. See, meet. Silent E mate, bite, hope. O plus silent E. Note, robe. U plus silent E. Tube, cube. EU new, few. Excellent job, children.